Hi, and welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Wednesday, 25th of October with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, which continues to trend lower, lower highs, lower lows. Monday's bull candle, as I sort of suggested yesterday, was likely to roll over, and it did. Bear candle yesterday, followed by another move today to the downside, breaking the support 1271.90. Currently the low today, 1270.80. So low highs, low lows, breaking lower, momentum indicators corrective, RSI falling back, MACD lines beginning to cross lower again, and stochastics also falling away. Now, a move back towards this 1260 level is likely, I think, and also 1251, which is an old pivot. Generally 1250, but 1251 was that reaction low that we saw back in August. But look at this, the uptrends are starting to come in. That uptrend that's basically been in place throughout 2017, that comes in around that 1250 area, 1253. So a retreat towards there could easily be seen, and then that tested. Now, if the market continued to the downside, you could see 1200 in due course with that bigger uptrend. More longer term uptrend, but yeah, this is an interesting move that we're seeing at the moment with the sort of continued near term correction back towards this sort of medium term, longer term sort of uptrend, and a continued downside I think looks likely, but to certainly test 1260 in the near term, and possibly 1250. But yeah, certainly with these momentum indicators rolling over on the daily chart, the hourly chart downtrend, you can see the MACD lines negatively configured, falling away, having just crossed below, crossed back on just above neutral, but the hourly RSI failing in the 60 to 65 area, going back towards 30. That just tends to be sort of more negatively configured, doesn't it? And yeah, it just looks generally as though we're going to see continued downside. And so selling into strength, you've got the overhead resistance at 1281 initially overnight, 1284 again an old low, and pivot, then 1290 again an old pivot as well. So yeah, a few levels to work with there, but generally selling into strength on gold. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.